click here to add a new section, and let's choose Scrollpoints, which is an image that has multiple points of interest that can be described with text. Now this is the placeholder image, and as I scroll down, it zooms in on specific areas, and a frame appears along with some text. On the left-hand side, next to the section thumbnail, click here to reorder the scroll points. Here you can change the order of the frames, but for now let's click on the trash icon to delete all of them except the first one. So now we can click here to edit the background media and drag and drop our own image. The recommended dimensions are 4096 by 2160 pixels with a file size of less than 5 megabytes. Save, and let's delete the text and move the whole text box to the center of the section. This will also make the image full width. Great, the reorder scroll points panel is still open, so click here to add a new scroll point, and I'll add some text. You already know how to format text boxes, so I'll fast forward this part. Just know that the new background color I'm adding is 7E1FFF. Again, let's add a new scroll point, but this time we're gonna zoom in on a specific area. So let's click here to edit the highlight. And here you can simply click and drag to draw a box around the area you want to highlight. You can then resize it, and you can set a specific outline style and color. I'll set it to none. You can add a label, which will show up right here. You can add a marker with a specific color and label, and you can darken the background outside the highlighted area. When you're done, click Done, add some text, and let's preview this. So as I scroll down, the first scroll point appears, the one that doesn't have any text. Scroll down, and the second scroll point appears with some text, and then the third one zooms in to the highlighted area. Keep in mind though that the highlight box that we've defined doesn't determine exactly what's gonna be shown on screen. It all depends on the size and shape of the screen you're using. I'll follow the same process to add two more scroll points. One that highlights Lily and another one that highlights Pee-wee and the bird again. So I can actually copy the same scroll point frame, drag it to the bottom, and add the text. In the next video, we're gonna create the same scroll point section, but this time for tall screens.